So today I'm going to take you through some of the amazing features that comes with Biashara Books point of sale. So when you log in, the first screen will be your dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see the total sales, net sales, invoice due, total sale return, total purchase, purchase due, total purchase return, and the expenses. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see the graphical data of the sales for the last 30 days, the sale for current financial year. When you go downwards, you see the sales payment due, the purchase payment due, the product stock alert, and the sales order, and maybe the pending shipments. If there is any, you'll be able to see them from your dashboard. Uh, some of the features that come with the software are the user management. Here is where you manage your users, e.g. the cashiers, maybe the salesperson, your accountant. You can manage them and you can give them roles depending on what you want them to access in the system. We have a module that will help you manage your contacts called the contact feature. Here you will be able to manage the supplier contacts, the customer contacts maybe, and if you have grouped your customer, you'll be able to access the customer group contacts. And then and the product feature, here is where you manage all the products. Maybe if you have the products, you can list all your products. Maybe to add products, you have the product feature. You have the manufacturing. This is for people like who have businesses like maybe hotels. And the manufacturing, this is where things like bakery, manufacturing that meal, cooking that meal, you can add up the recipe, the cost of production, all those. And then you have the repair modules for those who deals with maybe repair, like maybe phone repairs, TV repairs, all kinds of electronic repairs. We have the modules for you. And then we have the purchase. Here is where you list or maybe add stock. When you add a purchase, here is where you add the stock. And then you have the sales feature. And then we also have the stock transfer. In the stock transfer, this is where maybe you are transferring stock from one location to another, or from the warehouse to shelf. Yeah, you have the stock transfer. And then you have the stock adjustment module. We have the expense module. Here is where you list all your expenses or add all your expenses in the system. And then you have the payment account module. Here is where you manage your accounts, maybe the bank accounts, maybe the till, and all those accounts that are in your business. And then you have the accounting module. Here is where you get all the accounting data for your business. And then just let me show an example. For example, you can, as you can see, there is a lot in accounting. I'll explain this on the next video, so you can just give a follow so that you not pass. And then you have the reports. In the reports module, you can be able to, from the system, you can be able to get the profit and loss report, the purchase and sale report, the tax report, supplier and customer report, customer group report, stock adjustment report, the trending products, item report, product purchase report, product sale report, purchase payment report, sale payment report, expense report, register report, sale representative report, service staff report. Yeah, so all those reports will be able to get them from the system. And then you have the booking modules. Here is where you manage maybe your appointments. And then you have the order. This one is for the kitchen, for those who are running maybe the restaurants. And then you have a notification. This is where you set the notification, maybe to notify your clients maybe, or your suppliers, as all that sale has been complete, or a purchase has been complete. And then we have the customer relation management module. Here is where you do the leads, follow-ups, the campaigns, maybe the proposals. All of them will be able to manage them from the system. And then you have the assets management module. In the asset management module, here is where you manage all your assets. And then you have the human resource management. In the human resource management, here is where you manage the leave, the attendance, the payroll, holiday departments, all those we manage them from the system. And then lastly, you have the essential modules. Here in the essential modules, you can manage maybe your document memos, reminders, messages to do all those maybe. And we also have the knowledge base. Here is where maybe you want to know, to educate your employees by maybe writing articles, and then we have the clock in and the clock out option here to manage the attendance. And then on the point of sale screen, this is how the point of sale screen look like. Just to make a sale, um, can you add the products, you can scan them. Apart from scanning, you can just add them directly, and then print cash, and then you choose a printer, maybe and then you can send it to the printer so that your receipts can be printed. So as you can see, Biashara Books has a lot of features, and I'll be explaining all these features from this channel. So make sure you click the follow button so